Cybersickness Assessment Framework is a Unity project developed by Adriano Viegas Milani with the support of Nana Tian for the Immersive Interaction Research Group at EPFL. The main idea behind this project is to assist and standardize cybersickness research. The two principal pain points we are trying to fix are, first, the time-consuming task of creating an environment in order to test a cybersickness reduction technique, and second, the difficulty of comparing results between two different research papers, where most of the details of the implementation are not disclosed, and there is a lot of environment variance. Our solution is thus a complete Unity project containing the necessary tools to set up an experiment, a customizable environment, organization for scripts, and an easily shareable preset system for component parameters. Let us then take a look at the current implementation. The main interaction point of the framework is the setup window here on the right, which can be brought up at any point using this button. The setup window has 4 managers, each of which containing multiple references to components in the scene or in the assets. So instead of having to remember on which object each script is saved, they are all organized in one spot. Another utility of this window is the capacity to load and save presets for all managers, or on a per manager basis. They function similarly to Unity's preset system for monobehaviors, so you can do local changes to parameters and then load back the original values or save the new changes. The main difference is that this creates a single JSON file for all components that can be shared between researchers working on the same project, instead of creating multiple presets for each monobehavior. The framework can easily be expanded with any external script, with little to no change necessary. The only extra step is to add it to the setup window, and it will immediately be compatible with the preset system. Once the setup is done, you can just enter play mode or create a build to start the experiment. Here, the researcher can change a few options, like the locomotion methods, while the participant has a black screen. It is even possible to save data logged every second from the experiment into a CSV file. For now, only headset position and rotation is available. When the experiment starts, the participant is put in a simple environment where they have coins to collect by controlling the character.
How do you rate your discomfort from 0 to 20?
Until they collect enough coins or the timer runs out.
How do you rate your discomfort from 0 to 20?
Then another experiment can be started with different options. These are the features of the first version of the Cybersickness Assessment Framework, but we wish to significantly expand the project in the future, including work on the user interface, adding passive locomotion and many other options.